Well, the trail crew are still going. We just put a little connector in, connects up with Gutsa. Greg's doing a quick run down it. Greg and Pepper, Pepper knows where she's going. Oh. Come on, Greg. He's actually riding it in reverse because it's a little uphill connector.
Beep beep.
Beep beep.
Near the bridge, near the bridge.
And this is the way the direction that it should be written in. See what he's got legs. Oh, he made it look easy. Oh, funny. It's not easy when it's soft. Oh, Chris Greg went over. Come on, have a go. Oh dear. So a short connector so that we can work out a circuit for racing, and it's not easy.
Okay. Sorry, that was in the dog as well.
It's a nice little climbing turn you've got there actually. It's worked out very well. You just can't give up, can you, Shane? It's time for a beer.
Just trying to empty the barrel, I don't want to wheel the weight anywhere.
Well done.